Let's go for a walk. Hi, how are you? Hummer for dead bodies. We are in for an adventure. It's quite smelly here. I'm facing something very official. Go back base or so. Sadly.
No, there.
Yeah. Found the spot. Time to pitch the tent. Welcome back. It's been a while since I've been on the road, and it's time to leave Lipa City and explore the rest of Batangas and then go up north to Luzon. It's finally time to leave. Nice place to stay. Let's see what today brings. Let's have fun and enjoy. Time to leave. Okay, see ya guys. See ya. Finally, let's go to Mabini, Calatagan or Kalatagan, and then we'll see from there. Really nice place to stay, really nice neighborhood, lovely people, very good price. So now the big deal is to cross Manila, because I'm nearby, like around 70 kilometers away from Manila. But the traffic can get crazy in there and it can take a lot of time and energy. So today I probably won't be able to do that, to do the crossing, and I'm planning to get a little bit closer and then tomorrow go past Manila, and tomorrow just go through all Manila craziness and then continue my trip, because I don't want to do that in one day. Where I want to go next, it's like 12 hours driving. It will take maybe even more with all the traffic, and I would be like super exhausted. So yeah, today enjoying the Batangas area and then getting closer to Manila, and tomorrow is the day to cross Manila, which will be challenging, kind of adventurous as well. It's so good to be back on the road, and the GPS decided to quit, so I need to stop and check it out. Come on, Google Maps. Fix the problem. Come on, too fast, too furious. Toyota Corolla GT. Welcome to San Francisco, I guess. Again, if any Filipinos are watching, write in the comments below why everybody loves to drive slow in the fastest lane, or supposed to be fastest lane. Nice little town by the sea. Some nice twisties. Donkey's very sluggish, but what can you do? It's a donkey. That's the peak, I think. Again, wrong turn. Quite steep, but fun. Not bad, not bad. Nice view. Here in Mabini, on the top of the mountain, gonna go and check it out on the top, how it looks like. Looks like the view is quite nice. Let's go there. Let's go for a walk. Well, pretty nice spot. Hi, how are you? Super hot day. So walking in the sun is no fun. Okay, let's go now to Taal Lake, I think, near the volcano. Should be interesting because there's a lake and then there's a volcano in the middle of it. Ish. We'll try to go across the mountain and land on the other side of the peninsula. Will be more interesting than go and see the highway. So I would rather take a tiny ones, like this one. Nice little road. Everybody loves kites here in this part of the Philippines. Never seen so many kites or kids playing with kites. Well, nice view from the cabin, also from the donkey. When you have roads like this, with the views like this, you don't want to rush anywhere. You don't need to speed. You just like cruising along slowly and enjoying your trip. Tiny street turn for alternative route. Sadly, no off-road. Come on, donkey, you torquey beast. Could be off-road, would be more interesting, but nice tiny twisty roads as well through little communities. Interesting, kind of old-fashioned colonial town, I guess. Taal. Very nice architecture here. Just had to take a video or a picture of this. If you're dead and fancy this kind of modification for your funeral. Then you can have a Hummer. Oh, funny. There you go. Fancy Hummer for dead bodies. A little bit of welding and you're all good. Looks like Taal Lake ahead. Volcano itself. Bunch of farms, probably for mussels or so. Why are we stopping? That's most likely the volcano, because as an Indonesian friend of mine taught me, like if the mountain is green, then the volcano is not active. If it's like brown and stuff, no vegetation, then it's active because of the heat it produces. Nothing grows on it. Makes sense. Well, water is not cleanest for sure. Hello again. Just reached Taal Lake with Taal volcano. Looks really interesting just by my side. The lake is not the cleanest. Doesn't look like that. Bunch of birds, bunch of probably mussel farms, I guess. It looks interesting. The volcano itself, of course, it's not green and brownish because I think it's still active. But yeah, interesting place. Now, yes, enjoying the Taal Lake and see you on the road. Let's explore a little bit, then gonna go to Calatagan or Kalatagan and look for the camp because it's 2 o'clock. So I have a few more hours if I want to settle in comfortably without rushing, not in the darkness. By the smell near the lake, I think everything like waste and so on goes into the lake. It's quite smelly here. So I guess technically all this lake is actually a volcano. Probably after some eruptions the water got in, and all those tiny mountains are the new craters, but all this is one big crater, which is pretty cool. Would be interesting to go across. That's definitely a crater. That's probably a crater too. In the Philippines you always need to go both ways to see the beauty. Nicer from here, way nicer. And basically I'm in the crater as well, because all those mountains around are too perfect, too round to be just like mountains. So yeah, all this town is in the volcano itself, because look at that, like perfectly round everywhere. So yeah, that's a huge volcano, or at least used to be. Cozy town in the middle of volcano. Oh, pine trees. Interesting. Yeah, because we're up in the mountains. Makes sense. Decided to go through the mountains, will be a bit more refreshing. Bigger town again. Almost rush hour and LTO inspection. And again, those different two-story buildings, which are nice looking. Nice coastal area. Maybe they have dolphins here. That would be cool to see some. Less beautiful part of the community. Everybody's still like smiley and happy. Hello, peeps. Some rice fields with a beautiful mountainous view. Nice place. Sugar canes. Not bad, not bad. We are in for an adventure. We'll see. Hello, people. Sorry, fellas. I'm facing something very official. Let's see. What goes there? Okay. Interesting. Hello. Do you know if there is like a passage if you go through there to another side of the mountain?
No. Need to back again.
Go back. But like it shows some kind of like roads. So this is like official base or so?
Close road.
Okay.
For this.
Okay, got it.
First.
And this road goes to?
No road. Only sea.
Okay. I see. I'm just like, exploring, and I've seen the roads on the map going more down south and then crossing the mountains, but looks like
this is the dead end.
Okay, this is the dead end.
Camp of the soldiers.
Ouch. Okay. Sadly.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, Idol. Awesome. Yeah, thanks. Okay, it's a base, so I cannot go anywhere. Need to turn around. Promise for off-road sections gone. Let's continue and cross. Thank you. See you, buddy. Have a good day. Here we go, here we go, here we go. See you, ladies. How are ya? How are ya? Let's go back a little bit. Promising, promising. Good donkey. That's a nice big gravel road. To get a bit dusty. Let's explore a little bit. And that's the end of it. Go around. Hello peeps. No way, I guess, right? No way to cross. No way to cross the mountain, right?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay, that's like a concrete place, like a concrete manufacturer, right? Got it. Okay. Thanks. Have a good day.
Where are we going, sir? We're going.
To Kalatagan.
Calatagan.
Yeah, yeah. Straight and then left.
Yeah, the big one.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay, thanks, buddy. Have a good day. Tire is back to being sketchy again. Maybe that's because of the knobs or so, but even if you go on like quite flat gravel, like over like 60-70 kilometers an hour, it starts wobbling a little bit, being nervous sort of. Didn't have that with Shinko, so maybe I need to actually visit the service when I'm going to be passing Manila. We'll see. So eventually found myself an adventure, at least a little one, to explore a bit. Filipinos, why are you polluting your own land so much? Trash bags everywhere. And what are you showing? That's a golf club. Always late-ish for this kind of thingy, to enjoy the sunset and stuff. Probably the most expensive one so far I've seen. And everything adds up, like you pay 380. You're like, oh, okay, that's decent. Everything's fancy here-ish. Then they say, then you have your own tent, then you pay 200. It's already 580. Then you want to park your bike next to you at the beach or so. That's another 200. So 880, 900. Just regular camping. So Kalatagan looks like it's a fancy weekend getaway summer cottage-ish place. A lot of nice fancy houses. So I guess people from Manila are coming here for rest and stuff. Camping and resort. Hi there. Any camping grounds? How much in total?
Total is 200 tapos to 500.
500. Okay. Do you have internet or anything?
Yes, po.
We have free
Okay.
Wi-Fi.
Okay, Wi-Fi. Showers, right?
Yes.
Okay, 500. And where's the camping ground? There?
Here.
Over there?
Sir, do you want to see?
Yes. There, this is the camping site, kind of resort part, resto bar, showers, bathroom there. Everything you need. A few neighbors, nice sunset and low tide. Found the spot, time to pitch the tent for 500 per night. They have showers, internet, everything, so should be good. So let's pitch a tent and get comfy and settle in and go to sleep.